is Nisha. My name is Nisha. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is MDR Chitapur Town ESC 182. I am explaining in human heart. Heart is an organ which beats continuously. It helps to pump the blood. Heart is located at chest cavity, slightly tilted towards left side. Human heart has 4 champions. Human heart has 4 chambers. 2 arterium, 2 ventricle. Double circulation of blood. Blood goes to heart 2 times. It is called double circulation of blood. The deoxygenated blood body part is veins to heart to right atrium to right ventricle to pulmonary artery to lungs. Deoxygenated blood converted oxygenated blood to pulmonary veins to left atrium to left ventricle to aorta to body parts, double circulation of blood. Thank you. Deoxygenated blood body parts to veins to right atrium.